flag of India, also known as Tiranga, both are colored. I am the symbol of pride, freedom, unity, and honor. I carry white in the middle of is for truth, peace, and purity. Green at the bottom shows prosperities of our country. Dharma Chakram is 24 spokes at the center is for righteousness. But I like to dance in rainy season. I have beautiful forest. I live in forest and grassy area. I eat seeds, bugs and small animals. I am a tiger. I am a national animal. I have orange body with black stripes. I look beautiful, but I am dangerous as well. I am a carnivore animal. I am a lotus. I am national flower of India. I am found in pink and white colors. I grow in ponds and pools. I am considered a symbol of purity, wisdom, and beauty. I am a national emblem. The lion capital of Asoka, Saranath is the national emblem of India. I was adopted on 26 January 1950 when India became republic country. People used to review for many official documents like currency note, passport, etc. I symbolize power, courage, and confidence. The motto of emblem is Satyanav Jayate, mean truth alone.